Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of JavaScript part 6 or session 6. In this session we are going to discuss about conditional statement or if else or if else if and switch case. Before starting the session guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification. And if you ended up liking my video, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. Conditional statements are used to perform different action based on different condition. Okay, these are if condition, if something happen or else something will happen. There are if this condition satisfies something will happen or else if this will happen or at last else will happen. We'll check this. So as you know, I am following this Visual Studio Code JavaScript session which I'm giving the link in the Google Drive for you to download. So here I'm adding a new file, a HTML file, and the will be session 6.html. And I'm going to this W3C contact us form. I'm going to keep copy paste this one completely. And here I'm removing this form. Okay, this form tag. Save it, run in Chrome. So you can see it's beautiful contact form is getting. Now I will show you the conditional statement or if else if statement using this. I am not going to show you this if x equal to y or y equal to z, this bogus thing. I'm going to show you the real life scenario where the web developer or JavaScript developer do. Here is called validation. I am going to validate this form. This should be first name, last name, subject should be entered, right? Now go to here in drop down, you can see here directly Australia is coming. So I can straightforward I can write one more one which is select country or only country. Okay, and which will be this one. Now if I refresh, okay, we need to select at least one. Now we need to add our script inside the head. Guys, till now I'm adding the script inside the head tag. I'm not moving into a different file. Okay, so here I'm clicking creating a function validate form, right? So if statements like this in my previous where the get document by element by id, you can see that this one get element by id in my previous session. If you miss that session, I strongly recommend to follow that session first. I will give the link on the all the session in the video description also. So my id is fname. Here dot value equal to blank, then it will show me a alert message. What? Enter first name. Now I'm going to call this thing inside my button as on click, right? Save this. Now rerun the application, submit. So you can see, please enter first name. I'm giving some data. Now it is not working. So I've written only if statement. Now I'm going to add else statement here. Else data submitted. Now refresh. Please enter first name. I'm giving data submitted. This is the if else if, but I need to validate the other field also. Then we need to go with if else if else if. So next thing is I'm going to copy paste same thing, else if, right? Next is L name, which is my last name. Please enter last name. Next, same thing, else if, which is my ID is country. Here little bit different. Here we given our first option as country, so it will be selection as country. So if it is country, then please select country. Next thing is subject, right? So subject ID is subject. Get element by ID dot value equal to blank. Please enter subject. So these are if, else if, and else. This is the real life example of if, else if. Save this, go to the page, refresh it. Now first time, let's give one by one. Enter last name, select country, enter subject, please subscribe. Okay, submit, data submitted. In this way, you can use if else if conditional statement in your HTML form with the help of JavaScript. Next, we have switch case. Switch case means no need to write if else if. Once the expression is done, case statement is handle everything. How we can do this? For this, let's say I want to check the current date. What's the current date? Okay, and I want to run here only. So here inside the script itself, I have added var day, which is switch new date, which is getting current day, that get day. What is the day? Okay, so it is checking if day is Sunday, break if day is 0, Sunday, if day is 1, Monday. Okay, case 1, Monday, case 2, Tuesday, case 3, Wednesday, like this. Okay, at last I can print alert day. Now save the file and now refresh the page. So today is Friday. Happy weekend, guys. Today is Friday. Okay, so in this way we can use switch case, if else if conditional statement in our JavaScript. Guys, I hope you like this session. If you do, give me a like, share your comments and suggestion in the comment box below. Thank you very much.